Good afternoon. My name is Tom Bernsonoff, Certified Master Mechanic out of Reading, PA, and today I'm going to talk about, answer a question more or less of what size rims do I need for your vehicle. The easiest way to sum it up, I mean, there's a couple of different places you can find this information, but the easiest, most logical place to look is right on the side of your tire here. You're going to find a number in every single tire that's out there that's made. It's got these not the same numbers, but these numbers molded right in the side of your tire. And this particular tire right here is the 235, which is your width of your tire, and the 65, which is your height of your tire. But your rim information is always your last two numbers. Now this one here is particular 17, and what that is, it's a 17-inch rim. Now if you have a question of, you know, I need a 17-inch rim for my car, and you're really not sure, you know, what you need, the information you will need outside of the year, make, and model of your vehicle when you go out and purchase these rims is the wheel spacings right here. Now this is a 5-lug, which you'll need to know, and you'll need to measure from this center hole to this center hole. So we'll say this, without measuring, we'll just say this is 5 by 4 1/4 inches wide, right across from here. It's always your furthest point, and they're all spaced evenly if you come across this way, or this way. It's always the same measurement. So that little bit of information is going to help you out a lot. Another place you can look, if for some dumb reason that this is wore off, if you like to bounce off curbs a lot, and that's not there, right on the inside of your driver's side door, it's either going to be on the door itself or on the pillar that's coming down on the inside there. You'll see a white sticker. Hopefully you can read it. But it'll have the same information as right here, your tire size, and at the end is your rim size. After that, if for some reason the sticker's not there and it's rubbed off on all 4 of your tires, and chances are it's not likely, but if it is, you can call your local dealership, give them your VIN number. They can look it up for you and tell you exactly what size rim you need. But that's about all you need to know when you're looking up what size rim you need.